All right. Calling case number 2356385, the people of the state of Michigan versus Javante Giles, defendant is charged.
Sir, just one moment, okay?
Shields.
Let her call the case.
No.
Javante
Shields.
Devontae Shields. Defendant is charged with count 1, bank robbery, count 2, false report or threat of a bomb, harmful device, count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ed Book for appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Service, P31383, on behalf of Mr. Javante Giles.
All right, now, state your name for the record.
Javante Shields.
Shields, okay. So you have an alias?
No. It's self-explanatory, Shields. My mama's name is Sharita.
And how do you spell your last name?
I know, my last name is Shields.
How do you spell your last name?
C.H. Shields. ILDS Shields.
Okay, Shields, okay, so we pronounced it wrong, so now we know it's Shields. Okay, thank you so much for that. All right, counsel, this is a PCC. We had some discussion here regarding your observations and how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, based on my observations, based on the fact that Mr. Shields did not come out of the cell to see me when I went over to visit him, I believe this is a matter that should be referred to the Forensic Center for an evaluation.
For competency.
Evaluation for competency, that's correct.
All right, and it's my understanding that the defendant is currently being held on the psychiatric ward of the jail?
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay, all right, and people wish to be heard?
Yes, sir. This was scheduled for an exam at 11:30 today, so I will make sure to call off the witnesses. I do know that they did take the day off of work, so I'll make sure to give them a call immediately after this proceeding.
Hey, listen, y'all can send me to prison, man, I don't mind. Ain't nothing wrong with me, I ain't got no screws loose.
We don't send people
I
to
can speak
prison.
my issues, I can say whatever. Listen, let me out of here.
Shields,
Let me
Mr.
out of here,
Shields.
let's go back to the county.
All right, we're gonna let you go to the back.
No, I don't give a fuck
No,
about
you can
none
take
of
him to the back.
Come on, man, this nigga resisting.
All
this
right.
shit, man. Stop touching me, man.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shields. We're gonna give you a new court date. All right, so we'll adjourn the matter and refer for competency. And then we will schedule it for a hearing about 90 days out. So Madam Clerk, we need a date 90 days out.
July 26th.
July 26th, and that'll be at 8:30 for competency.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and the exam is removed from the docket for today.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too.
And I know you're busy. Can I just step up to make this call to the witnesses?
Yeah. Because we give our
Cheers.
and that they're nice.
Yeah, so he can really be off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ready, Marquell Stewart?
Yes.
Oh,
We're ready. We're ready.
calling case number 2356162, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marquell Stewart. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause count.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ed Book for appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. Robert Burton Harris, P81843, on behalf of Mr. Stewart, who is also present on Zoom and consents to this hearing being conducted on.
All right, and can you state your name for the record, Mr. Stewart?
Markel Stewart.
All right, and how do you wish to proceed?
Judge, after discussing this matter with my client, going over the burdens of proof that the prosecutor would have to show for this matter to be bound over to circuit court, my client would like to waive his right to a preliminary examination and proceed to Frank Murphy further proceedings.
All right, is there any objection to the waiver?
No objection, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, Mr. Stewart, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Do you affirm you'll answer my questions truthfully today, sir, concerning this waiver?
Yes.
All right, this court will advise you that you do have a statutory right to a preliminary examination. It requires that the people show that there is probable cause to believe a crime was committed in the city of Detroit and probable cause to charge you with that crime. Do you understand that when you waive the exam, we won't hold that hearing? The matter moves forward to the Wayne County Circuit Court for the next proceedings in this matter. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, I do.
All right, and after speaking with your attorney, is it your decision to waive the exam and move this case forward?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your exam?
No.
All right, and if you were in the courthouse today, you would sign the waiver. Do you give the court permission to sign your name to this waiver?
Yes, I do.
All right, thank you. There being no objection by the people, the court finds the waiver has been given freely, voluntarily, understandingly. This matter will be bound over for further proceedings in the Wayne County Circuit Court. Arraignment on the information will be on May the 12th at 9 o'clock in Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. If there's no objection, the court will continue the bond.
No objection, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, counsel.
All right, Marco, you can log off. I'll give you a call back later.
Oh, I got 2 minutes. Oh, it's Hamilton.